Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Hussein's Tech. So guys, today I will share you the new earning application which is Global Rental. I have invested 300 USDT and the daily income is 15 USDT. If you recharge 100 USDT, your daily income will be 4 USDT. So first you will open the link like me. In the description you will find the sign up and registration link. So here you need to type your phone number. No matter what is your phone number, you can type anything or which country from you are. So this is your passwords, and then invite a link, then just click on register. After clicking register, you will see the next page for sign in. Let me sign in. So you can see the special notice. You can click to buy car directly through the app and then recharge. After the recharge is complete, please send your recharge record TXID number to the customer service for verification. You can buy multiple levels of vehicles at the same time to make money for rent. Dear member, you can choose to recharge any level amount and you will get 10%. If you recharge any amount, you will get 10% bonus. So basically, if you recharge 100, you will get $10 instantly in your account. If you recharge 300 USDT, you will get 30 USDT bonus from them. This is the best earning application I have been using from yesterday. So the withdrawal is very fast. Honestly, it will arrive at your wallet in within 5 to 10 minutes. So how you can work on this application? First of all, after creating your account and sign in, then go to my, and then go to withdraw record. Sorry, this is my withdraw record which is passed yesterday. $1 is fees no matter how much you withdraw. If you withdraw 500 USDT, the fees is only 1 USDT. So basically you need to do, click on withdraw and then set your TRC20 USDT address here, and then you can, the minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT. You can withdraw any amount if you have in your balance. There are so many different labels. One label is for 100 USDT and the second label is 300 USDT, which is Volkswagen Jetta, and then level 3 Toyota Camry 800 USDT, level 4 1500 USDT, level 5 2000 USDT, level 6 3000 USDT, level 7 4000 USDT, level 8 5000 USDT, level 9 8000 USDT, and the daily income is 640 USDT per day. So basically, if you invest 300 USDT, you will get 15 USDT daily, and the deposit amount will be returned to you after 28 days. So basically, it is a good earning application. I have invested 300 USDT yesterday. So wait, I will show you. You can see this. I have paid them 300 USDT and I have purchased. So how you can purchase the level? You just need to click on which level you are purchasing. I am purchasing basically level 2, so I have purchased this one. I can purchase another. If I want to purchase 100 USDT, I can purchase buy a share and then click on copy. This is their TRC20 address, and then I will click on complete the transfer. You can contact customer service 123. You can contact any of them, so they will reply to your message. So basically you can show them the screenshot of the complete recharge and the TXID of yours. So this is now I will show you how you can work on this. You should go to garage and then click on play. You can see I have earned 15 USDT simply. You can see. So this is how it works. It was 14 USDT. They have increased their income for 1 USDT. You can withdraw minimum 20 USDT. If you want to invite your friends, you just need to click invite friends and then copy link. You can share with all of your friends. As I am sharing with you, you can also invite your friends. You will also receive bonuses from Global Rental. So if you need anything, any kind of help, you can join our WhatsApp group and message us. And if you need any more applications to work on this, you can contact us by the WhatsApp group. So I will show you the withdrawal record which I have received. This is my withdrawal record of yesterday. I have invested 300 USDT. The bonus of 10% I get 30 USDT, and the 14.3 USD, 14.83 USDT I have earned from yesterday. So basically this is my all withdrawal records. If you want to join this application, you can join and share with your friends. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. You can earn better and better and better. So this company is basically, I have, wait, so you can read their message. This is their company's portfolio introduce, corporate introduce, which you can easily read. Global Rental is a joint stock company and has become one of the most advanced and larger scale car leasing companies in Southeast Asia. Global Rental mainly focuses on car rental services. The company can provide customers with more than 20 models. So basically you can read their cars details: BMW, Benz, S-Class and other models. We are determined to create the most convenient, fast, economical and fashionable car rental services. The company adheres to the corporate culture of moving customers with service and provides customers with considerate service of Simlink service. Timely guarantee, fast information and reasonable prices. Think about what customers think and take care of customers and solve customer urgency. The direction of the employees efforts high quality vehicles. Start rated service is our promise to customers. So you can read through this all their informations and you can simply join them. So if you need more details, you can message us.